we know all the different parts of a circle graph, we're going to learn how to interpret the information that we're given in a circle graph. So for this particular circle graph, and we're going to look at the same one we looked at last time, the after-school activities are again broken into 6 favorite activities. However, if we look at question number 1, there are 400 students in total. That means all of the students that were surveyed about their favorite after-school activities is a total of 400. So this question asks, how many of the students play sports after school? So we need to look at this information here. There are 20% of the students that play sports after school. That's the most important piece of information we have, because we know we now have to find 20% of 400. And everybody should be really good at finding this information, because this was from chapter 3, finding the percent of a number. If we're going to find the percent of a number, we convert the percent into a decimal, which is 0.20 or just 0.2. And the word of in mathematics means to multiply. So we're going to do 0.20 multiplied by 400. And if we work that out using your calculator or long multiplication, you will get 80. There are 80 students in the school that like to play sports after school. Let's try another one. Let's try number 2. If there are 400 students in the school, how many will play video games? So if we look at the sector for video games, you notice that it's roughly the size or a quarter of the circle graph. So that's 25%. So we're going to find 25% of 400. And again, we're going to change it to a decimal and multiply by 400. And when you work that out, you're going to have 100 students, which is a quarter of the students like to play video games after school.